To adjust Bixby sensitivity level when responding wake up voice on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap Bixby. Tap voice wake up. Next, tap respond to my voice. Tap wake up sensitivity. And then select the sensitivity level you like to apply to Bixby. There are 3 options available: low, medium, and high. As the example, we will select medium so that Bixby will sensitive enough to respond wake up voice but not too sensitive, which may cause unintentional Bixby wake up. Next, tap OK button to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.